Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review slash makeup tutorial on the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette. I have been dying to try this palette. Of course, we have to do her iconic Jackie Aina intro. Did you guys love that intro or what? Me and my husband, me and my man, we're talking about it yesterday. We sometimes watch her videos together. We just love her. She is the funniest person I've ever seen. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Last night when I was getting ready or when I was thinking of filming this video, I had a dream with Jackie Aina. Like, I dreamt that we hung out, that we were just talking and gossiping, talking about YouTube. I was asking her for tips on how to be successful on YouTube. It was the funniest thing. It literally got stuck in my head that I was going to film this video, that I had a dream about her. So crazy. I almost forgot to mention that I also picked up the new Anastasia liquid eyeliner, excuse me. So we're also going to be testing this out on camera, and yeah, let's jump right in. I almost forgot to mention that I also picked up the new Anastasia liquid eyeliner, excuse me. So we're also going to be testing this out on camera, and yeah, let's jump right in. My eyelids are a little bit flaky right now because last night when I was doing my skincare routine, I accidentally applied a little bit of my retinol cream on my eyes, and you're not supposed to do that because retinol is a little bit strong and the skin on our eyelids is super thin and sensitive. So if my eyeshadow looks a little flaky, that is why. Oh, I cannot get over the palette. I think she absolutely killed it with the palette. What's it called? This. I'm going to start with the shade Credits, which is the deepest shade in the palette, and it's this one right here. We're just going to tap that all over the lid. This is going to be a crease color, and oh my god, look at the pigment on that. Oh my god, you guys, my eyelids are so flaky. I can't believe I applied retinol. What was I thinking? I didn't want to go too in-depth with the colors and all that stuff because I'm sure you guys have seen a million videos on this palette. This palette is it right now. So I just mainly wanted to play with it myself and do a tutorial for you guys in case you guys pick up this palette. No lie, this is the first palette that I've bought from Anastasia in a long time. I think the last palette that I ordered from her was, oh my god, I think it was the Prism palette. I don't remember. I could be totally wrong, but I haven't bought any of her new releases. And the reason, it's not because I don't like Anastasia's palettes. I live for her formula. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't have an answer of why I haven't bought any of her palettes. They're good and the quality is amazing, but I guess I've just been so caught up with drugstore palettes that I kind of been forgetting about them. So if you guys have any palettes that you guys want me to do and I look with the Anastasia eyeshadow palettes, please let me know, because now that I'm using her palettes again, I'm like, oh my god, her palettes are so good. What am I doing with my life? I'm going to go in with the shade Edges, which is this one right here. It is a gorgeous burnt terracotta orange, and I am just going to lay this on top of this color to help me blend. Oh my god, this color is gorgeous. This one is going to be the prettiest color for fall. I can already see myself using this a lot. Yep. I'm going to take my Morphe M514 and I'm just going to start blending the edges together. First, I'm going to go in with edges and kind of like blend that upwards. Oh my god, my eyelids are so flaky. Worst time to like do a makeup tutorial, but oh well, we're going to make it work. Just going to keep blending, and I think I'm going to keep this more on a circular shape versus like winging it out like I normally do, because I don't know, it's a mood. So now that that's blended out, I think I'm just going to actually add credits all over the lid. So I'm quickly going to grab some black gel eyeliner to kind of like set the base, and then sponsored, I think we're just going to like throw it all over the lid. So now I'm going to pick up a credit before the black sets, and I'm just going to pack it down. Wow, she is smoky. I'm going to go back with edges and just make sure that I blend the edges. See what I did there? And I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and diffused so we don't have any like crazy contrast. You know what I mean? Ooh, oh my god, I am feeling this look. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Sponsored, and thank god I just took off my nails. So I'm going to take that and I'm literally just going to press it all over the eye. Yes. I'm going to go back with my brush. I don't have any product. I am just blending the edges. For the inner corners, I'm going to take Trust Issues. I love the names that she picked out. They're so like, I don't know. They're Jackie. This in the inner corner. Ooh, baby. That actually pairs really nicely with the eyes. That is a beautiful like white gold. It definitely is more of a gold, but on the pan it looks white. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to go in with credit, edges, and then I think I'm going to take a little bit of ginger. So I don't think I want to do an eyeliner, like an actual wing liner. So I think I'm just going to draw like a line across the lash line. I have tried this one already, and honestly, I really like it. It's a really good eyeliner, super creamy, super black, and very long wearing. So there's your review. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and we will be done with the look. I am back, you guys. I went ahead and did my lipstick as well as added some lashes. I will have the lash style down below because I really don't remember. I have the box, I just don't remember the style. For my lips, I use the Italia lip liner in the shade Hot Cocoa, which is a dark brown lip liner. And then I went in with the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please lipstick all over. I blended it together so it wouldn't be so harsh. And I added a little bit of this Sephora What is this? Number 4 Satin Cream Lipstick. This is their Lip Stories, and this is such a stunning color. It's a super light color. I just added it to the center. So that is it, you guys. This is my tutorial on the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette, you guys. I love this. If you guys are hesitant, if you guys are like, should I get it, should I not, get it. I think it's amazing. And if you guys love Jackie Aina, you know, that's like an extra support. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see more looks, let me know what colors you guys want to see, because there's so many looks that you can create. The possibilities are endless. So with that said, thank you guys for joining me today. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye.